Good day to everyone. Today I would like to share how to create multiple choice questions MCQ paper in Microsoft Word. Let me show you how to do that. Before that, kindly subscribe howXT channel and click the bell icon to know about more videos. Yes, from my laptop I just opened Word application and I just going to create a blank documents. So now I would like to create a MCQ question paper model. So what I have to do here, first and foremost, you need to type your school name. Just type your school name. So what are the school name? You just give your school name, and so you can increase your font size, everything. So make us a center and make a font as a Arial, or which is easiest one, and increase your font size. So my school name I have given here, as well as I can give a detail about the question paper. Yes, I have given mathematics question paper for 12th A. So I can select this option. I can reduce the size of the font so that it will be easy to identify the students to which class and which is the question paper details. Press enter and give your time. So the question paper and exam time is in 2 hours. I just bring it to the left one, so I just click here for align left option, so left one will move here. So from the hover I just use a tab button to move my cursor from there to here is the maximum mark. So maximum mark, so I've given here as a 17. So I have given options. So if you want to increase the size of the font or decrease the font size, you can do that. So if you want to move this one, just use a tab button or the space bar to move from there to here. So this is left alignment, this is center alignment, and this is center alignment. The school name is in highlighted, as well as the detail of the marks, as well as the class and the paper. So this is the title box. So titles gets over. So if you want to divide from title to question paper, go to insert menu and shapes options. Once you click a shapes option, there will be a line. So just choose the line and draw the line below the time. So use a shift key to draw the straight line. The straight line have fixed over here, so I can give the shape color. So what are the color you want, you can fix according to your need. Go to shape outline. If you want to increase the width size or any other things, you can make it, and just go to shape outline. You want to give some dashed line or anything you want to give for the unique style, you can give for your question paper. So this is the title. So title gets over. You want to give the color of your school name, you can give the color of your school name, select the name and give the color according to your name. You can give your question number. So just press 1 and dot means the number will be activated over here. That is bullet numbering option. So I have given number 1 and press dot, and space bar means the number will be activated. So I can type my question paper. So I have copied some question paper and I can paste it over here. So the function, the details and A, B, C will be added over here. So I can give the question paper, the second question will be added over here. The same question I can copy and paste. I can give enter and give my details, enter and give my detail. Just select from 1 to 10 question paper and questions, and just go to layout, choose columns. Once you choose a column, there will be one column will be available. Choose 2 columns so that it is easy to give your detailed questions. So that is from 1 to 10 questions will be added over here. As you see here, your 10th question will be in downside. Go to home button and just give the size of your question paper size, that is 10 or 11. It's gradually is easy, and give your font as a Arial or Times New Roman so that it will be fixed in your question paper. So as you see here, so I can create my MCQ question paper without any other hesitation. So I can give Times New Roman and I can increase the font sizes as 12 so that it is easy to access. So I can give more questions over here. So I can give enter and give more questions. Whatever questions I want, I can type and give according to my needs, so that it is a easy and beautiful option. If you want to create your question paper using your Word, it is easy, so that you can create your school name, what is the mark and what are the timings, as well as the question using this easiest tip. If you like these tips, please share with your friends and subscribe my howXT channel. Thanks for watching, dear friends. Have a great and good day.